Hi friends, we see everything around us is fine, but still we are anxious, we are stressed, and we are unhappy. The root of all sufferings is not outside but within our own mind. So I think you will be not believing this. What I request is please watch this video completely. The reason because is we are going to uncover a powerful message which change the way you see your problems forever. Good morning friends, my name is Prashanth and welcome back to my channel. As I said, please request you to watch this video till the end. So you are going to get a message that how your thinking has to change. So the story is about a farmer. Once there lived a farmer in the village, a hard-working farmer. He always used to have a dream to lead a prosperous life. Hence, he always used to spend most of his time in the field. So one fine year, what happened is the entire region got stuck with a drought. The rivers started getting dry, and all the crops were started getting destroyed. The reason because there was no water at all. So this farmer, he started blaming fate, he started cursing God, and even he started accusing the neighbors for his bad luck. He always used to say that why the life is so unfair with me. When I'm working so hard, but still why life is so unfair. And this got him into a lot of frustration and he became hopeless. He started giving up. Initially, when he said that he had a big dream that he wanted to live a prosperous life and he used to work hard, but after this incident he started giving up. So he started spending time alone. He stopped talking to the villagers. All these things were running in his mind. So one of the person in the village advised him just to go and meet that wise man. There lived a wise man in the village. He is going to give the solution for your problem. So this farmer, he thought that and he also observed that even after all those things happening in the village, the entire village is worried because they didn't have water to drink, even not even food to eat. At that time, this wise man was very calm and he had a peace in his mind. So out of curiosity, he went to this wise man to understand what makes him feel so calm about his mind. So when he went and asked the same thing, so the wise man took him near a banyan tree, made him sit under a tree. Then the wise man took a handful of sand and started holding it tightly in his fist. The moment he started holding it tightly, squeezing the sand tightly in his fist, the sand started skipping away from his hand. And when he opened his fingers, so he saw that the entire palm was empty. Then the wise man, he took a little bit of sand again. Instead of he squeezing that sand, he just holded the sand in his palm, where he was able to hold that sand in his hand. After this, he started explaining this to the farmer. He said that the sand is just like your mind. The more you hold it tightly, the more you hold your problems tightly, so what it will slip away and it will leave you empty. So what we have to do is one has to start accepting the reality. So here in this case, what is the reality here? So that entire region was with a drought, but only having those things in the mind and keeping it is not a solution for that. So only, as I initially said, it is all the sufferings, the root of all the sufferings is not something outside, it is within our mind, which we saw in the farmer's case, where he had that frustration, where he became hopeless. He thought that nothing can be done, but there are so many other solutions. So after seeing this, the farmer realized, yes, he has to stop holding those problems and he has to start thinking something big. So dear friends, even in our life, as I said, though we think that we are fine, but still sometimes we will be anxious, stressed and unhappy. It doesn't mean that we have to hold those things for permanently. So it has to be, or else what will happen is same way. So it is going to leave us empty by holding these problems. So we have to to have that calm and peace mind, one should start thinking differently. I hope you understood this video, and stay tuned for many such video. Thank you very much.